Good morning, students. So today we are going to start with new topic of history subject, that is EVS 2. Okay. Chapter number 7, from shelter to village settlement. So here we are going to see how progress take place from shelter to village settlement. So what is shelter? Shelter means what? The place where we can protect ourselves from rain, cold, animal and strangers. It is a place where we can keep our belongings. Okay, so in those days there were no perfect houses. As now we are having building, skyscraper, etc., huts, etc. It is there or not? So in Stone Age period, it was nothing. They used to take shelter under the tree or in caves. Their houses were built of stone, caves, okay, and they used to lit fire. Why? Animal get afraid due to the fire, and they are well protected in the cave. So this is in this way they used to make their shelter. Okay, so here we are going to discuss 7.1 shelter. In fifth lesson we saw that Neanderthal lived mainly in caves. In last lesson we have seen three Stone Age stages. Which are the three Stone Age? Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. That is New Stone Age. Okay. So let's see here. Neanderthal lived mainly in caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. Neanderthal could protect themselves from freezing temperature because they wear leather clothing and made use of fire. So how they used to protect themselves? By means of leather clothing, okay, and the fire. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they use animal hides to erect tents. Okay, so they made tent of animal hide, and because of which they feel warm in the place which they have made as a shelter. Whereas wherever necessary, they also build hut in the open. Yes, you can see a small picture is given of hut over here. So like this small hut they used to make. Seasonal camp. Let's see seasonal camp. In the Middle Stone Age means what, students? Mesolithic age. Okay. So group of Homo sapien had established camp over the world. At that time, the climate getting warmer everywhere. The environment was changing, and with it, the diet of Homo sapiens were also undergoing change. By the time of Middle Stone Age, big animal like mammoth were on the way to extinction. That means finish. At the time of Middle Stone Age, that is Mesolithic age, this animal you can see here, this is a species of element which is having curved tusk. देख रहे हो, यह हाथी, यह एलिफेंट, इसी को हम मैमोथ कहते हैं, और ये उस पीरियड में ही ओवर हो गया, फिनिश हो गया. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट सच टाइप ऑफ एलिफेंट फ्रॉम दैट पीरियड इटसेल्फ. यस, सो by the time of Middle Stone Age, big animal like mammoth were on the way to extinct. Q? What is the reason why these mammoths are getting extinct? Because they used to hunt this animal for getting their skins, their task, जो उनके दांत होते हैं ना, यस वो सब चीज़ों का वो इस्तेमाल करते थे. और एलिफेंट का जो स्किन होता है काफ़ी थिक और काफ़ी फरी होता है, तो दैट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर देम फॉर मेकिंग टेंट एंड ऑल. सो दे hunted this animal on large scale, and that is why one period came, that is in the Mesolithic period, they become extinct. Nowhere mammoth can be seen now because they were hunted on large scale. That is why Homo sapien had largely turned to fishing. Then they turned their attention to fishing. अब मछली पकड़ेंगे हम. Okay. Then he also began to depend upon hunting smaller animals like wild boar, deer, mountain goats and sheep. They changed diet pattern. Okay students, so what we have learned from chapter number 7? Shelter, seasonal camp, village settlement. So in the Middle Stone Age, the climate in Europe was extremely cold, and that is why people built tent. Clear? What do people build? They used to build their tent. Then seasonal camps were open. During the Middle Stone Age, the climate in Europe was getting warmer. The diet of the Homo sapiens changed due to the environmental changes, and they hunted small animals as large animals had become extinct. So they used to hunt large animal first of all, but they become extinct. Like mammoth was a large animal, वो खत्म हो गया, अभी क्या करेंगे hunting? So they started hunting small animals. Okay, and then these changes in the diet enable the Homo sapien to roam to far away. उनको जाना ही पड़ेगा. Yes, they have to go far away distance for getting food and getting shelter. Yes, they harvested wild grain. Wild grain मतलब जंगल के जो कंदमूल, फल या कोई जंगल में उपजे हुए अनाज जो भी है उन पे वो डिपेंड करते थे. यस, grains, gather seasonal fruits, roots, etc. and undertook fishing and hunting and thereby stay longer at the place. Village settlement. The way of life of human in New Stone Age changes. They began producer of food grain by undertaking cultivation of land. Agriculture made it necessary to stay in one place. People established permanent village settlement and lived in generation after generation. So in this manner, students, the development have been take place to village settlement. Okay, so I have told you that I will be asking you few questions. So this is our question session. Which were the animal the Homo sapien mainly hunted?